a short video to show some features of field firing solution, how it works. This is the primary page where we can have a lot of information. The only thing to do is to connect a rangefinder. In this case, I go on vectors, start, close, and we have our rangefinder connected. Now we can get the meter information from the Kestrel. Today, for these purposes, I choose 60 seconds. We start, and in a few seconds will be available farm information: the absolute pressure, the temperature, the humidity, the bearing. So we close. We have the red field here that they show us that we are receiving the information from the Kestrel. With this button, we can choose the rifle. At the present time, I'm using the Gladius 260 Remington, but for that distance, already in laser, 1844 meters is too much, so the field is red. I can check here, and my supersonic flight ends at 1390 meters, so it's too much. We need to choose a different rifle. Easy, because I have already stored a lot of profile of rifle, bullet and turret. In this case, we hit a rifle and I choose a Victrix 375 Chetak. Okay, the distance is yellow because now with this load we need 19.4 MIL to engage a target at 1844 meters. So my supersonic flight ended at 1957. If I would like to change a bullet, I choose bullet and I choose a different bullet. In this case, supersonic flight ended at 1994, and I have a maximum ordinate at 1.4 MIL at 1053 meters. This is very important to catch the bullet trace, how to search with the spotting scope. I have another bullet. I choose the Sierra Match 350 grain. Okay, it's red because supersonic flight end at 1769 meters. So it is very easy to change from rifle to rifle to bullet to bullet. We have representation in a very easy manner. This is another important thing. Is the electronic range card. I have previously laser a lot of target, and I have associated the target to one final firing position. I can choose a target, for example, this one, this, at 1844. The vertical mill is 0 because I have to put 21.3 on the turret, and the other target they show us how I have to dial in the turret or in hold off to engage. It's very easy. In this way you can manage several targets with several different shooters with several different rifles. Very easy to change rifle from rifle, bullet from bullet. Also, if you go to the ranking page, map, this is the final firing position. When I laser the target with a simple click of the remote, I can get the target coordinate because I have the range, I have the angle, and I have the bearing. Nothing to write with the keyboard, only one click of the laser. Okay. Here, using the laser rangefinder, I can calculate the target lead because if I use with one click, I have a range and a bearing. With the second click, I follow the target, and with the second click, I will add a range and a bearing, the lapse time, and I add the MIL to put here to add the speed of the target and the heading, and also the lead. So this is some of the feature of final firing solution.